senior kids, once again I welcome you all in yet another class, and this is the environmental studies. As I said that this whole month we are going to learn under the concept, under the theme our universe, and specifically we are going to learn about earth, day and night and seasons. Okay, so today in the previous class we had learned about the earth and the sun. This class we are going to learn about rotation and revolution and day and night. Rotation and revolution and day and night. Okay, so what is rotation and what is revolution we are going to learn today. So before that we need to see one more picture, and this is the picture of solar system. The sun and the 8 planets makes the solar system. Can you see that? Okay, where is our mother planet Earth? This is the mother planet Earth, and you must have noticed that all the planets have one line. Can you see the line? Yes. So Earth also has a line, and Earth moves around the sun in the line. The Earth never goes above that line, never comes below the line. The Earth moves around the sun along the line, and this line is called an orbit. What is it called? Orbit. The Earth moves on its axis, or it is called orbit. The line that you see is called the orbit. Okay, and the Earth moves in an orbit. Okay, so there are two movements of the Earth. The first one is rotation, another one is revolution. Rotation, revolution. Okay, repeat after me. Rotation, revolution. Rotation means the movement of the Earth on its axis. The movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. That means the Earth keeps on moving in its own place, like this. The Earth keeps on moves like this. Okay, and this movement is called rotation. Okay, children. And to make one rotation, Earth takes 1 day or 24 hours. There is 24 hours in a day. So Earth takes 1 day to complete one rotation. That means one circle. That movement of the Earth on its axis is rotation, and Earth takes 1 day to complete one rotation. Another movement of the Earth is called the revolution. So revolution means the movement of the Earth around the sun. The sun is in the middle. The Earth moves around the sun in an orbit. Orbit I had explained to you. There is a line, and the Earth moves on the line. Okay, and that line is orbit. So the movement of the Earth around the sun in an orbit is called revolution. Can you see? I'll show you one more time. The Earth keeps on moving along its orbit around the sun. This is the sun. So it moves around the sun in an orbit. Okay. So the Earth takes two movements together. The first one is rotation. The second one is revolution. So how long does Earth take to complete one rotation? Earth takes 1 day. But to complete one revolution, Earth takes 365 days or 1 year. Okay, when Earth completes one revolution around the sun, it takes 365 days or 1 year. Okay, you could see the picture that I have displayed here. This is the picture of rotation. The movement of the Earth on its axis is rotation. So how long does it take? It takes 24 hours or 1 day. Okay. Next, revolution. This is the picture of revolution. The movement of the Earth around the sun in an orbit. The red line you see, no? This is called orbit. In an orbit is revolution. And how long does it take to complete one revolution? 365 days or 1 year. Okay. And along with that, we are going to learn day and night. How does this day and night occurs? Okay, we do many activities in our everyday life. We sleep during the night. We wake up and do all our work in the daytime. We watch the television during the night. And we go to school, we go to work during the daytime. So there are many activities that we do during night and some activities during daytime. Okay, but have you ever wondered how does this day and night occurs? No? Okay, you might be thinking, no, how does this day comes and again night comes and again day comes and again night comes? This is all because of the movement called rotation. Rotation occurs, causes day and night. Rotation causes day and night. So I had already informed you that the movement of the earth on its axis is rotation. While moving, one side of the earth will always face towards the sun. You can see in this picture very clearly. This is the picture of day and night. This is the picture of sun. And this is the earth. The earth is, what movement is going on? Rotation. When earth rotates, the one side of the earth faces the sun. So the sun rays falls in one side of the earth. The part where the sunlight falls, it is day there. The opposite side will be in the darkness. This is the opposite side. Only half of the side we could see the sunlight, falling of the sunlight, but the back side, opposite side will be in darkness and it is night there. Okay, so this is how the day and night occurs. Okay children, now I hope that you have understood the concept of two movements of the earth, that is rotation and revolution, day and night. How does day and night occurs? Okay, now let's do the worksheet. Take out your concept worksheet and turn to page number 44 and put today's date before doing this worksheet. Write D for the things you do at day and N for the things you do at night. Okay, there are some sort of pictures and what we are going to do, we have to write D if the activities is being done in day, right? We have to write N if the activities is done during the night. So first one is playing. When do we play? We play during daytime. So write here D. Next, sleeping. When do we sleep? During night time. So write here N. Next, girl using a lamp. Girl is using a lamp to study. So when does we use a lamp? Do we use a lamp during the daytime? No, we use a lamp in the night time. So write here N. Next, looking at the moon. Looking at the moon. So when we could see the moon? In the sky during the night. During daytime we couldn't see. So here you have to write N. Next, studying. When do we study? We study during the daytime. So write here day. So playing is day. Sleeping is night. Using the lamp, night. Looking at the moon, night. And studying, day. Okay. So do this worksheet. Take the picture of it and send it in group. Okay, even you can make sentence and explain that what is rotation and revolution. Take the video and send it in group. Okay, so that's all children in today's class. Until I meet you in next class, it's your auntie saying bye and take care.